Hello, everybody. I'm just gonna talk a little bit about Reiki and what it is. I teach Reiki. I'm a Reiki master. I teach it. I teach it right the way through from Reiki 1, Reiki 2, Reiki 3 masters, and into Reiki teacher. And one of the biggest things about Reiki, I find that people have a misunderstanding about is what it is. What is Reiki? Okay, a lot of people have heard of Reiki, but they're not really sure what's going on during it. And it seems a little bit, at times, a little bit easy just to explain it away as being energy healing, which of course is what it is. But that could be almost anything. So to me, what Reiki is the energy of everything. Reiki itself, the word means universal energy, but to me it is actually the energy of everything. Everything around us, if you look at the world that we see, it's actually just energy. Everything in it is energy. There isn't anything that isn't energy. There isn't anything that can be explained away as being something else. And to me, the thing that makes those different things, those different little packets, if you like, or parcels of energy into a specific thing, is the idea around it. Okay, so the idea of me is that I'm James. Okay, so all I am is this bundle of energy all put together in a way that creates me. It is me. I am James. The telephone that I'm talking to you on at the moment, the idea of that is that it's energy animated with the idea of a telephone, and the table that it's on, the idea of that is that it's a table. And when I put my hand on the table, I'm just putting my hand on the outside of the idea of it being a table. And it's the same with everything around us. Essentially, everything is just energy. It's empty space. It's all a bit of an illusion, actually, when you think about it, because energy manifests as atoms, and atoms are 99.999% empty space. So all we are really is mainly empty space, and with a little bit of energy, animated and held together by the idea of being who we are and what we are. And that includes everything. Okay, so everything is energy. So all our thoughts, our words, our deeds, our ideas, they're all just energy. Okay, and that's including our ailments. So what we do in Reiki when we're channeling Reiki energy is we're channeling the energy of everything, that energy of everything. We're channeling it through, we're bringing it in a modality that allows us to amplify it, to focus it into an area that we want. And what we're doing is we're focusing onto the idea of the ailment. Okay, so the idea of the ailment is a negative energy. Okay, so what we do in Reiki is we use a positive energy from the universe, from the energy of everything, to either do one of two things, which one, we either remove the idea of ailment altogether, or two, we change the idea of the ailment, the negative idea of ailment, and we make it into a positive. So we take the negative energy, we replace it with a positive energy. Okay, so we can either remove it or we can change it. And that's essentially what we do in Reiki.